Guys, mag-react tayo dito kala Don Petok. Yung kanilang cover song ng Always. Ang gandang love song nito, yung kanilang napiling i-cover. Suabe ng boses ni Jasper, ano? Parang si ano rin, si BJ ng banda Sweet Notes.
Dedicate my life to you always.
Love like yours is rare.
Ganda ng boses ng kanyang misis na si Jackie Sel.
It must have been sent from up above, and I know you'll stay this way for always.
Kaya naman pala nag-viral tong kanilang video na to, guys. 3.1 million views na to sa YouTube, guys.
And we both know that our love will grow.
Bagay na bagay sa kanila tong kantang Always, ano? Swak na swak yung kanilang kombinasyon ng boses nilang dalawa.
And forever it will be you and me.
Ang lupit din. Kaya naman pala marami rin talaga silang views. Napakaganda ng boses.
Ooh, you're like the sun, chasing all the rain away.
Ganda rin ng quality ng sounds nila.
When you come around, you bring brighter days.
You're the perfect one for me,
And you forever will be.
Ayun, oh, meron din sila mga instrumento. Pagkakaalam ko, nagbabanda rin sila, guys.
and I will love you so for always.
Come and be.
Full band yata sila, hindi kagaya ng banda Sweet Notes na dalawa lang talaga.
Let's go make a family. They will bring us joy.
Yung bandang Sweet Notes, sila, guys, sequencer band. Ito sila Don Petok, full band sila. Pero madalas sila mag-duet ng kanyang misis sa yung mga cover song nila.
For always.
Oh boy, I love you so.
Yun, no? Ang sweet ng kanyang misis.
I can find enough ways to let you know, but you can be sure I'm yours for always.
Pang rin pang tawag ng tanghalan, no? Yung quality ng boses. Pang singing contest.
And we both know that our love
Ang sweet nila tignan, no? Mag-asawa.
will grow. And forever it will be you.
Iba rin talaga yung chemistry nilang dalawa May talaga may dating. Galing magpalseto.
Ooh, you're
Hindi nalalaos tong kantan to, no? Hanggang ngayon marami pa rin nagko-cover. Itong Always.
Brighter days.
You're the perfect one.
Me and you forever will be.
And I will love you
Yun, no? Lamig ng boses.
so for always.
Grabe yun. Ang ganda ng boses nilang dalawa. Lupit.